Okay, 1. Let us check if you got it right. Yes, it's 1. Okay, for our question number 3 is going to volunteer. Okay, Michelle Arota. Your question?
Which line has a positive slope? Y. Line B.
Line B. And because, let's see.
This because
Yes, because line that has a positive slope when it slopes upward from left to right. In other words, as the x coordinate increases, the y coordinate also increases. Okay, class. Very good. It shows that you really understand our previous topic. We have another activity class, and this one is called the match-up. Okay, for the mechanics, please read class.
The class will be divided into two groups.
Okay, for the 3 and 4.
When you group things, you have all the correct answers. Write
Okay.
them
For
down.
the direction, you have to match the given equation to its corresponding form, whether it is slope-intercept form or point-slope form. Okay, I will be giving you the chart where you're going to answer it. Yes, I will be giving you 2 minutes to answer it. Is the instruction clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, can you stop class? You paste your answer on the board. Okay, let's check if they got the correct answer. Is this correct, class? Yes. 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 Okay, class. Great job. Both groups arrived at the correct answers. However, since group 1 posed their answer in the book first, so they will be our winner. Okay, we will have another activity. And this one is called Heartbound, the missing half. Okay, for the instruction, please read class. Okay. I'll be giving you this half-heart-shaped card. For those first partners who will find each other will be our winner. Okay, Aryan and Janice, since you were the first to find each other, you post your answer on the board. Okay, let's check the answers of others. Okay. Yes, everyone got the correct answer. Give yourselves a round of applause, class. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, class. What have you observed in the equation? Yes, and then what do you need to have in order to form this equation? Okay. How did you come up with the finding of this equation? Okay. On our different activities, we have learned that the different forms of equations of the line. Let us use these equations in finding the equation of the line. Okay. For the objective of today's discussion, at the end of the lesson, the student will be able to find the equation of the line. Plus, when working with linear equations, 2 essential forms help us find the equation of a line, which are the point-slope form, slope-intercept form. Yes, this enables us to represent and analyze linear relationships with ease. Okay, for the point-slope form, please read class.
The point is a way to write
Okay,
it down.
thank you. So again, our formula is y minus y sub 1 is equal to okay, very good. So for our problem number 1, our example part, the 2 negative. So it will become positive 3, and then copy this for x minus 3. Okay, what is our next step? This one is substituting. Apply distributive property. Okay, step 4, you have to apply distributive property. So we're going to apply distributive property to which part here? 4. Okay, to 4. So we are going to distribute 4 to x and to negative 3. Very good. So it will become 4x minus 12. Okay. So for our fifth step, apply addition property of equality. Okay. So you want to copy this first, and then. So what do you think will be the next procedure? Add additive inverse of 3. Which is negative 3. You have to add it to both sides. Very good. So this will become 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So the remaining will be 5. Okay, class. And then copy the 4x. Negative 12 minus 3 is equal to negative 3. Very good. Negative 15. And then for our step 6, we're required to rearrange the equations under the mode for 8x plus by equals to 3. Okay, so it's the step 6. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we have to transport 4x to the left. 4x will become negative 4x. And then you have to copy y plus y and is equal to negative 15. Here we are going to translate it to standard form. So what did you observe? Here we have to make sure that our a should be positive. So what are we going to do, class, in order to make it positive? Multiply by negative 1. Very good, Janice. So we have to multiply it to negative 1 to both sides. Very good. Negative 1. So this will become
Positive 4x plus y.
positive 4x plus
y.
Negative y.
Negative.
No, it should be negative plus
Negative y.
is equal to
Positive 15.
yes, because negative 1 times negative 15 will become positive 15. Did you got it, class?
Yes,
ma'am. Okay. I will have another example. And I want one of you to answer it on the board. Okay, Winway, you will be the ones to answer. Explain your answer to the class. Okay, let's check, class. Did Winway got the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's check. Okay, did you get the... Okay, let's check. This is the same. Step 1, step 2, 3 and 4, 5, and then you will translate it to standard equation. Yes, please give Winway a round of applause, class. Very well. Okay, for our slope and y-intercept form. Okay, class, please read this.
Just the equation of y.
Slope and y-intercept. Okay, class, please read.
Slope measure the line's thickness and direction. Y-intercept being
the point
the point where the line crosses the y-axis and empty.
Okay, for our example number 1.
Find the equation of a line whose graph has a slope of 2 and an intercept of 4.
Okay. I'll have here different steps on how to find the equation of a line using slope, intercept, form. Okay, for our exercise number 1, find the equation of a line whose graph has a slope of 2 and an intercept of 4. Okay. The solution for this is, if the slope of a line and a y-intercept are known, therefore we will use the slope-intercept form defined as this read class.
Y is equal to mx plus b.
Okay. For our step 1, step 1.
Identify the slope and the point.
Okay, what is our slope here?
2,
2. And then
4,
our y-intercept is
4,
4. Y-intercept is represented by
b,
the variable
b.
b. Okay, friends. So again, what is our y-intercept? 4. Okay. For our step 2, we have to substitute the given value on the formula. Again, class, what is our formula?
Y mx plus b.
Plus b. So, what is our slope? 4x plus our, no. This one is 2x plus 4. Okay, and then we have to arrange this into standard form, which is our step 3. Just like what we do on the point slope form, we have to make sure that the A value in our standard form will be positive. So, we have to transfer this first. That 2x to the
Left
to the
side.
left side.
It will become negative 2x plus 4.
Yes, it will become negative 2x. And then, next we have to copy the y. Is equal to
4.
4. Okay, we have to, what are we going to do to make this positive? So, divide by
Multiply by
multiply.
negative
Yes, we have to multiply this
1 to
to
negative
negative 1
1.
on the both sides. So, it will become positive
Positive 2x plus negative y
minus, yes,
Minus
y is
is
equal
equal
to
to negative 4.
negative 4. Very good. So, this is now our standard form. Okay, class, did you understand
Yes,
our
ma'am.
topic for this afternoon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see if you understand it. For our example number 2, I will call Miss Hirata. You answered this example on the board. Okay? Okay, you post your answer. You explain your answer. Okay, class, let's check if you got the correct answer. Okay, let's check. Are there any questions before we move on?
None so.
Okay, very good. Now let's put your understanding into a test with an activity which is called equation mastery, a practice challenge. This one. Again, you are going to group yourself into two groups. The same group on our previous activities. I will be giving you your chance to answer and then your questionnaire here. Okay. Okay, time's up, class. You paste your answer on the board. Yeah, you put it there. Okay, class, let us check if they get the correct answer. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yeah, this one.
Yes.
Number 3.
Yes.
Okay, since the both group have the same answer, well, that's excellent work, class. I'm impressed to see that everyone got all the correct answer. It's clear that you all grasp on the concept we covered in today's lesson. Okay, again, if the line has a slope and passes through a point x1 and y sub 1, then use the equation. Yes, the equation y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. Very good. This form is called
This
point
form.
Very good. And we have to follow several steps. Class. Okay, what is the first step? Okay, and the sixth step? Very good. Okay. And then for our steps in finding the equation of the line, using slope and intercept form, again, what are the steps? Okay, for the step number 3. Okay, very good. Now, let's have our beats. Okay, get your quiz notebook and you answer this. Okay, please read the direction as
Find the equation of the line in standard form. Show your complete solution.
Okay, start answering, class. Okay, are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you pass your paper to the front and I will be the one to check the answers. Okay, you get your assignment notebook, class. And then you copy your assignment. Okay, are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for this afternoon. I hope you understand everything. Okay, see you in our next